Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how I made $50,000 monthly with BMW Parts Affiliate Program, BMW Parts Factory tutorial. What if I told you that you could make $50,000 a month just talking about BMW? This isn't a scam and it doesn't require selling your own product. In this video, I will show you exactly how I made 5-figure monthly with affiliate links step by step. What is BMW Parts Factory? BMW Parts Factory is an online store selling genuine BMW parts. Affiliate earns 5% per sale. 30 days, cookies, paid monthly, powered by Auto Affiliate Network. BMW program is a program for promoting genuine BMW parts via the Auto Affiliate Network, free to join and ideal for BMW focused content creators. What are the benefits? The key benefits are 5% commission on every sales, 30 days cookie window, customers can buy within a month and you still earns. Extensive parts catalog covering BMW model from 1975 to present. No startup costs or fees. Payout details. Monthly payment on net 30 basics. Minimum payout $50. $50 balance required. Before you are being paid, you must have $50 balance in your account. That's your threshold. Payment method: PayPal or direct deposit. How to join? How do you join BMW Parts Factory Affiliate Program? Step 1. Sign up for BMW Parts Factory Affiliate Program. BMW Parts Factory uses a platform called Auto Affiliate. How to join? Go to autoaffiliate.com, www.autoaffiliate.com. Click Join as an affiliate. Fill in your details: your name, email, your website or social handles, how you promote. Once approved, search for bmwpartsfactory.com, bmwpartsfactory.com inside the dashboard and apply to promote them. You will get a genuine tracking link, access to banners, product images, and promo materials. A dashboard to track clicks, sell, commission. A dashboard to track click, sales, and commission. Minimum payout is $50 via PayPal or bank transfer, paid monthly, as I said. Step 2. How to promote your affiliate link. High converting method. YouTube videos. Top 5 knots for BMW E90 under $100. DIY oil change for BMW F30 with parts link. Add affiliate link in your video description. Number 2. Blogs or website. Post guides like how to restore BMW E36 interior. Best aftermarket parts for BMW X5 from 2020 till date. Embed affiliate links in part list. For people that are using Instagram stroke TikTok, share before and after pictures, car upgrades or tips, add affiliate links in your bio or link trees. For people on Facebook group or car forum, join BMW communities and share helpful content with affiliate links, but don't scam. Add value first. Step 3. Turn it into a BMW part affiliate business. Business setup tips. Branding. Choose a name like BMW MOD, Garage, or BMIC DIY Hubs. Create a free logo on Canva. Get an Instagram stroke YouTube channel set up under that name. Number 2, content plan. Blog posts per week, YouTube videos per month, social media posts per week. Number 3, free tools. You can use Canva, create banners and thumbnails. How affiliate marketing works. You get a special link to promote BMW parts. When someone links and buy, you earn commission. When someone links and buys, you earn commission. It works 24/7, even when you are asleep. How I promote BMW parts. I promote BMW parts through YouTube tutorials, how to install BMW brake, link below, Instagram car mode, blog content with part list. You can also promote it through TikTok reels showing before and after with links. How you can get start today. Step 1, set up BMW part factory via auto affiliate, drop link. Step 2, pick a niche, example E90 mode, F30 maintenance. Step 3, start posting helpful content with links. Step 4, stay consistent. Traffic build over time. Use Linktree for multiple links in Instagram bio. Use Canva for video thumbnails. Use free blogs like Medium or WordPress to post content. If you can do it, or if I can do it, you can also do it. The BMW community is huge. Your audience is out there waiting for you. How to share your affiliate links. You can share your affiliate link through YouTube video description. Shop the part I use. Affiliate link. Instagram bio. Use street Linktree or stand.store to hold multiple links. Blogs. Embed your link in buttons like buy now or check price. In Facebook, drop links in reply only after offering helpful advice. Is this tutorial helpful? If yes, hit the likes button. Subscribe for weekly auto business content. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.